buddy. There's the world's largest Nintendo over there. Oh, I gotcha. See what happens. It's fun. Now it's time to find something else. If you haven't guessed, my son Oliver and I have disappeared to the woods, to the mountains, little Rocky Mountain High. If you guys tuned in last week, you probably know why. Anyway, this is just me and my son getting away for a weekend. We haven't had an opportunity to have a father-son weekend where it was just him and I and for God knows how long, so here we are. Friendly cyclists. Second time we've seen them on this trail. We just kind of turned off the highway here and headed down what was called Lime Creek Road. Went and shot some video while we stopped and had a snack of a beautiful waterfall. We're gonna continue on and head towards the town of Silverton, and then maybe in the morning try to make our way up and over towards Telluride. We're just up here with no agenda, no schedule. We stopped on the way in and got the obligatory Forrest Gump photo. That was fun. You'd be surprised how crowded that highway is. And we're continuing on. We got a cooler full of food, our tents, and Cokes. We have everything we need for a nice adventure. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about.
Okay, tacos. Tacos. Everybody loves tacos. I love tacos. You love tacos. We all love tacos. Most everybody around here loves tacos, apparently, because every other vehicle out here is a Toyota product. Surprise, surprise. So we felt that we should just, bring ours, because we fit in. Well, actually, we didn't do it for that reason. The kid just loves the 4Runner better, and this is a quick trip. And the Rover ain't fast. 4Runner's lighter, more power, less shit on the roof, better fuel mileage, burns 87 octane. It was a no-brainer. That being said, we grabbed basically our backpacking stuff. If you look over here, he's got our one-man tent, I've got our two-man tent, and we brought solar panels and a Camp Power Ace Volt 2000 watt power station. And we're actually reviewing that right now, so stay tuned for more reviews on it later. We've also got it plugged into just a regular straight Renogy suitcase, and it's pushing a New Air fridge that will also be reviewed. This is my first trip up here. This has been amazing so far. I haven't had the opportunity to be in mountains like this in a couple of years, and it's been nice. It's really since the last time we took a trip to Montana, and this is exactly what I needed right now. Oh God. Welcome to Colorado, sports fans. That is quite the view. I think we're at like 11 million thousand feet right now. I can hardly breathe. It's a good thing the 4Runner's fuel injected, and man, that drop off. I need to get Julie Andrews up here and spinning around, because these fucking hills are alive. Well, it appears we've reached the end of the road. And it's not really the end of the road, it's just where the snow's overcome the road. But irregardless, we're gonna have to turn around, which is cool. Exploring, having fun. Me and the boy.
We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel like we got something strong?
So we've made it to Tomboy. We're up on top of a mountain overlooking Telluride. There used to be some sort of big ass mine here, and it's pretty cool. I also believe this is kind of a spot on the road to do the rest of Imogene Pass, which is closed right now, so we're not even going to bother with it. More or less, this trip was just supposed to be about research and trying to figure out what it's going to be like if Cole and I come back later in the year. And also to hang out and spend some quality time with my son. We got another night, then we'll start thinking about heading back towards Phoenix, which fortunately is not where I want to go right now. Seemed like a really good spot to run away and get away to, and God, the breeze, sorry about the wind. So far, the 4Runner has done amazing on this trip. Like, couldn't ask for more out of it. It's been running fine. There is a good reason why we chose the 4Runner for this trip and not the Land Rover, and it comes down to, ultimately, the 4Runner is my son's favorite car. He doesn't really like the Land Rover that much, I don't know why. Anyway, so that's fine. We took it, which is also beneficial because, well, it does better on fuel right now, and fuel's expensive AF. Although I am shocked that the price of fuel in like Silverton and Durango and everywhere else along the way has been relatively the same exact price as it was in Phoenix, which makes me want to come back. That's it for right now. We just made lunch and we're going to come back down. The views and the scenery up here have been impressive. They have not disappointed. You know, I thought that this was going to remind me more of Montana, but these mountains, a little bit of Alaska in here, I feel like. Although when I look over this way and way off yonder, I'm reminded that it's not.
I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive.